Hi, so today I'm going to show you how to make a pie chart based on using how to use Google Forms. So again, Mr. Mayo is not a big fan of Pirate because I'm actually learning how to code now. But I do know how to use Google Forms. So I want to be able to show you how to do that as well. Here you go. So if I'm trying to find information out like the difference between male and female, right? And I want to say, oh, you know what? One of my correlations are that since there's more females in the school, that is why they do better, for example, right? That might be one of my theories, right? And again, statistics are to help you prove if those things you are saying are correct. And they're very important. So what I would do is I would highlight the two things that I'm trying to figure out. So I would highlight N and O, right? Which in here is male and then here's female. Then I would go and click enter chart. And obviously we'll go to scatter plot because that's the first one that shows up. But what I would go is I would scroll down and I would go to pie chart. So here I go. I can click this pie chart, a donut chart, or 3D pie chart, whichever you choose. I'm going to choose 3D pie chart because I kind of like that. It's kind of cool. So here it tells me female versus male. This looks so crazy. So guess what you have to do? You have to play with the settings in a sense. So it says you want to be able to switch your rows to columns, meaning right now the information that is giving you right here is giving you every little school with different colors, but you want to switch that. So now you want to make sure that since you switch that, you have to click out the rest of this information. Now it's just showing you the total of females, the total of males, because again, you're just using, if I scroll right here, you're just now using the columns N and O, and it's the total of it. So here it tells you 48.2% of females in the total amount of schools and 5.18% males. Again, this is one pie chart. And later on, as you go through other videos and practice with Google Sheets, you'll see that it is not only highlighting the information and clicking the chart. You have to go to the edit chart because sometimes the information you're trying to find out, you have to change the labeling. You have to change the X and the Y, which is basically in this case your columns and your rows, and understanding what that information means. Right now, this information is telling me that out of all the Rhode Island schools, it has more males than females. And what I would interpret from this chart is that, yes, there's more males than females by a little bit over 2%. Okay? So that is how I would also talk about my data that I found.